Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to collaborate on an Instagram story. Alright guys, let's get into it. Here I have opened my Instagram application on my phone, and if we want to collaborate on Instagram story with our friend, we have to be tagged or mentioned in someone else's Instagram story. And after we have been tagged or mentioned in someone else's Instagram story, we will get the notification on our Instagram direct message. So we can go to our Instagram direct message and check it. And this is the account who mentioned me in a story. We have to click on it, and if we want to collaborate with this account on Instagram story, we can click on add to your story. All right, and if we want to get the full screen, we can click on the photo like this. And before you repost the story, you can add tags, add sticker, or add music. And after that, you just need to click on your story. Okay, and now the story is being uploaded, and I'm going to check it on my Instagram homepage. I'm going to open my story, guys. Okay, so now the story is being uploaded, and as you can see that now I have collaborated with this account on the story. Alright guys, and that's how we can collaborate on Instagram story. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to the channel. See you on the next video.